Hey there. This is another short video in a series about what I think of and what it means to me to speak of and this idea of rewilding and of rewilding the self, what that is and what it means and what it's about. And it really has to do for me in part with the ability, the willingness, the courageous encounter with presence. And by that, I mean simply the willingness to be, to stop doing, and to have direct encounters with stillness, with silence, with whatever it is that is moving through us, and that sometimes is stormy weather as well. But how do we create and allow space for that, for the emotional turmoil, and balancing that with the space for reflection, the space for integration and renewal? For without reflective time in our lives, there is no integration of life's experience. And we live in a culture, frankly, that is driven by the absence of such. It can only continue as it is in endless war mode, if you will, and such through the absence of its citizenry, a partaking of reflection and stillness and integrative time in their lives. So this is one of the things, again, of course, that nature teaches us, because even the tree behind me has presence, the forest behind me, everything that one looks and sees and touches has presence. You can enter presence anywhere through anything. But it is in nature that we find and come into the healing powers of our own source. For we are not separate. We are woven of the trees. We are woven of the air and the wind. We are woven of water and fire and sun and water and such. We are woven too of the soil. And when we know the health of the soil is our own health, that too is a rewilding of our identities. This is Larry Glover with Wild Resiliency Awakening. So remember to get out in nature and hug a tree. More importantly, spend some time today hugging yourself in self-love. That too is fundamentally rewilding yourself. Enjoy. Thanks for listening.